Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about future forms. Going to and will for predictions. Use will, want for statement of fact. Quick decisions, promises or predictions. Use going to for a decided plan. Intention and prediction based on evidence. Use the present continuous for fixed plans or arrangement with other people. To differentiate the present continuous for future from actions that are happening now, use a future time expression. I'm living now. I'm living half an hour. Future. Use the present simple for a scheduled event. Will, in positive sentence, use the subject, modal verb, adverb, infinitive verb. I will definitely find a job. You will definitely find a job. He will definitely find a job. She will definitely find a job. It will definitely find a job. We will definitely find a job. They will definitely find a job. In negative sentence, the subject, adverbs, modal verbs in negative infinitive verb. I definitely won't get a promotion. You definitely won't get a promotion. He definitely won't get a promotion. She definitely won't get a promotion. It definitely won't get a promotion. We definitely won't get a promotion. They definitely won't get a promotion. In question, modal verb, subject, adverb, infinitive verb. Will I definitely go churro? Will you definitely go churro? Will he definitely go churro? Will she definitely go churro? Will it definitely go churro? Will we definitely go churro? Will they definitely go churro? Now, going to with the verb be in positive sentence. I am definitely gonna have fun. You are definitely gonna have fun. We are definitely gonna have fun. They are definitely gonna have fun. He is definitely gonna have fun. She is definitely gonna have fun. It is definitely gonna have fun. Now, in negative sentence, I am definitely not gonna have fun. You are definitely not gonna have fun. We are definitely not gonna have fun. They are definitely not gonna have fun. She is definitely not gonna have fun. He is definitely not gonna have fun. It is definitely not gonna have fun. In question, are you gonna live on the moon? Are we gonna live on the moon? Are they gonna live on the moon? Is she gonna live on the moon? Is he gonna live on the moon? Is he gonna live on the moon? Going to is more common in spoken English and is pronounced gonna. Adverbs modify predictions, possibly, probably, definitely, certainly. Janara and Eric probably won't be able to live on Mars. Predictions. I don't think it's gonna be hot tomorrow. Predictions. You need a volunteer. I will do it. Quick decisions. The package will arrive by 2 p.m. Fact. You can tell me. I won't tell anyone else. Promise. They're gonna visit the encore in Paris. Fixed plans. I'm not gonna go to the party. Intention. Look at that cloud. It's gonna rain any minutes. Predictions based on evidence. They are flying tomorrow. Arrangement with the airline. The show starts at 7 p.m. schedule. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was all for tonight. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.